I got a US automatic Patriot dual swing gate set up here. The far gate, gate number 2, is working fine. Gate number 1 is not. And noticed on the control board, if you look in close here, push the LEDs, I get 2 LEDs for both limits being met on gate 1, which is the problem gate. And then only one, the retract limit, which is correct because that gate number 2 is open. So trying to debug where the problem is. I don't think it's the board because it's a fairly new board. And I checked the wiring here. We're using Apollo arms on this thing. It's 8/16s, which typically work fine with these Patriots. On the wiring going to that actuator, I've got the power that goes to the arm itself, black and the red. And then I've got 3 here. This is like a common, the green. And then you've got the retracting limit signal is this orange. And then the extending limit signal is the white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the white connection here. This is our extending limit is met signal. It tells from the actuator arm when it hits its physical limit, it's going to send a signal here to tell the board so the board can get ready to shut off the power to it. And so now if I disconnect the whites like I did here, let's see what does our LED look like. So that's as expected. So I got the retract limit met, but not the extend limit because I just disconnected that wire. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the arms here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and push the button to close them. And they're both closing. But we're going to see the close on this number 1 arm is not going to be pretty. It's going to go too far and it's going to boom. And you hear that beep coming out of here. And it immediately tries to reopen because it thinks it hit something like a car because it hit all the way with the force. So what that's telling me is, and our retracting limit was met, everything worked fine, but that extending limit, something in here is bad. It's not sending back the correct indicator that, hey, that limit's been met. So it's sending it all the time. Because if I do this, that LED will come up if I just touch them now, but it's not toggling it on and off as needed. When I disconnected it so that it's off, then it hits the force limit when it smashes in there. So that's a problem. And that tells me that this is a bad actuator arm here. Even if I swap gate 2 with gate 1, I can still get that left side gate to open and close as needed. But the problem here is on this right side. So I hope that helps doing a little bit of debugging here with an Apollo set of arms and then a US Automatic Patriot board. Have a great day.